Hi, good morning. It's Tuesday. Okay, so this will be the beginning of my second week of running. So today, the goal is to finish 10K. Sabi ni coach namin, ay, pace 8 or 9. So, di ko alam kung kakayanin natin ng 10K. Pero, nag-carbo loading kami kagahapon. So, we'll see. Okay, anyway, see you on the run. Okay, we're running to 5K. Okay pa naman. Mga tuhod-tuhod natin medyo masakit lang. Kayanin natin mga kapatid. Yes! We are on the final stretch. 1 kilometer. Yay!
Let's go!
We'll finish the 10K.
Yes.
Kasi pag hindi daw, magwawarteg lang kami. So the mindset is to finish the 10 so we can eat with only protein. Yahoo! See the birds? They're everywhere. Alright guys, we made it. We finished our first 10K and yeah, just when you think you can't, you can. So it was a slow, continuous phase, controlled, okay, and average around 9.5. Yeah, pacing, but that's okay. The trial part for today is if I really can't finish the 10K. So yeah, I can, but you gotta work on my knees, you know, because it's been a long time. So yeah, anyway, yeah, we made it. Congratulations, self. Ang bilis. Wait lang, hindi ako ready.
1, 2, 3, go!
Totoo na to. Good morning. Today is Thursday and we'll be having a recovery run. So walang, siguro mga 20 to 30 minutes run lang kami today, which is okay kasi medyo masakit pa yung tuhod ko. Okay, so talagang kailangan ko ng strength training for my knees. Yun. So yeah, it's just a quick run for today. See ya! Okay, last 2 minutes for the recovery run. It's just a chill. Wala naman tayong hinahabol na pacing or what. It's just a simple recovery run because we used to run last time 10 kilo. So yeah, okay lang. Nothing much. So wala masyadong strains, pressure, what. So yeah, have a good day. Good morning. Yan, good morning everybody. So, medyo maliwanag na ngayon because it's I think around 5:20 in the morning. So, nakapag-warm up na tayo. Today, our schedule is to run hopefully another 10 kilometers. But since we will be having like meron kami kasing ginagawang running community dito sa Jakarta, is the e-runners. So the goal is to have at least young individuals who are fit and want to become like, you know, maximize being an entrepreneur as young as they are. So we'll be running for 2.5 first. It's like our warm-up. And then another 7.5. So hopefully we can complete 10 kilometers for today. That's why meron tayong mga baong maraming inumin. Kasi if you buy here, the price is double. So, bumili na kami. May baon na kami. And of course, our recovery drink are Santay Barley. So, see you for today in our run. Okay. Past 1 kilo. Target for 2.5 each to finish in less than 30 minutes. So, let's see. Merong Milo activity ngayon because in next week fun run na, so sabi ko last week, no, but we did not join them today sa the activity.
Kita baik banget nih, masih ada lagi, tenang aja ya. Tapi nanti syaratnya harus joget dulu baru bisa dapat kan? Oke, kita lempar lagi, masih ada. Oke, semuanya semuanya. Masih ada banyak, jangan.
Okay guys, so natapos natin in just 20 minutes and 2.5 kilometers. I guess if I'm gonna check my Strava, bumagal tayo ng mga 1 minute kasi more on pacing na tayo right now. And yun, supposed to be I'll be running for another 7.5. Kaya may emergency. Naging tagabantay tayo ng gamit. And at the same time, I'm feeling a little bit, I need to go to number 2. But I can't. Siyempre, kasi may kasama tayo. So, that's why what we're gonna do is just do statutory training here. So, mag-exercise na lang tayo dito. So, yun lang. And enjoy. Have a great Saturday, everybody. Yan. Good morning. So, hindi tayo nakapag-vlog last day. This is our 3rd week of running. And today, we're planning to run for 10K because apparently, we will be joining the Milo Run. And that will be on Sunday. We'll be running for 10K. And yeah, that's why ang goal today is to run for 10K. Kaya lang umuulan. So, yan. Hindi tayo makakatakbo. Hindi pa naman tayo yung mga runners na tumatakbo kahit umuulan. So, we'll see. Pa-stretching na lang muna mga partners. Okay, so see you. 1 kilometer. 9 more to go. 2 kilometers. 4. Alright guys, 5 kilometers. Halfway to go. 6 kilometers. 4 kilometers to go. 7 kilo. 3 more to go. Woo! 8 kilo. 2 more kilos to go. We're finished. Alright guys, 9 kilometers. 1 more to go. Okay guys, so we managed to finish the 10 kilometer. Kanina na pagbigyan tayo. So bago matapos, almost umaambon na. So ngayon uwi na kami habang hindi pa ganun kalakas yung ulan. So it's a good run. Malamig lang. Umuulan-ulan. But yeah, see you in the 10K Milo Run. But you have one more run before Sunday. See ya!